All right, for tonight's dinner, I'm making a homemade meal, kind of healthy. You guys have been asking for more healthy cooking, so our home cooking meal. So we are making a sheet pan recipe. I haven't had this recipe before, but so we have an apple and honey chicken sausage. Got this from Whole Foods, organic. Yes. Got a couple potatoes, and for the vegetables, we have some red onion, we have some red, orange, and yellow bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, and some broccoli. And we're just gonna put everything together in a sheet pan, and it should be really good. I did add a little bit of olive oil on here, and we are just going to add the vegetables like that. All right, I cut up some potatoes. So we're going to add this like that. And for seasoning, I'm going to sprinkle some salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some 21 seasoning salute. A lot of seasoning, yeah, that's gonna be good. And then we're gonna add some olive oil, and we're just gonna mix it really well. All right, now we're just gonna add the chicken sausages on top. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake it for 450 degrees, about 30 minutes, and halfway just turn over the sausages. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys in 30 minutes. All right, guys, the oven looks really good. We have the sausage looks really brown with the Brussels sprouts, broccoli, potatoes, peppers, onion. I can't wait to eat this. I'm also gonna serve it with a side salad. All right, I prated this up. That's what it looks like with some salad. This is also crab and avocado because I'm making a crab salad for Christmas tomorrow, so I thought I would just add some crab and avocado as well. But yeah, let's review this for you and see how it tastes. All right, guys, we have the sausage with peppers, potatoes, and a salad, and a Caesar salad. Not a Caesar salad, a regular salad with avocado. There's a little bit of crab and ranch dressing. But I'm gonna try the sausage peppers. It smells good. And I saw this YouTube video. It just popped up in my suggestions. So this video just popped up. So I thought I'll just try it out, and it looks really good. I love easy, healthy meals. You know. So try some of this. I have one. Maybe I'll have one more sausage. I don't know. So here's some sausage. Have you guys ever tried the sausage before? Anyways, let's put it into potatoes, the peppers. That's good. It's really juicy. You see how crisp and brown that came out. Sweet too. There's some broccoli here. Very healthy. You guys want more home cooked meals, so hope you guys are enjoying this video. It took me a little bit longer to prep and make and do a video, so I can still continue to do these videos for you guys. It's going to be a little bit longer. And if my face looks good today, I did a face mask. I did a pineapple face sheet mask from when I got at Walmart yesterday. I'm gonna add one more sausage because I think I can eat two. Oh, it's juicy too. And this might be a good video to keep Very easy. Great for one person. Today is the day before Christmas, so my leftover for money for lunch, I think I'm going to have that. So for the drink, I got this at Whole Foods, a sparkling juice, cold press, strawberry passion fruit. It's a sparkling juice. I thought it's kind of cool. Try it out. Oh, whoa. Sparkling. Oh, that's very good. That's really good. Try some salad. It has crab and avocado. I have ranch, which I'm out of. That's on dressing. I think it'd be great in here, but I'm out of ranch, so. That is really good. So I haven't ate anything all today. Today's my first meal. It's about 7:30 p.m. And the reason why I haven't ate anything really is because yesterday we had 2 potlucks for both my jobs, and I went crazy on the food. I need to have better self-control. This is really good. I haven't had a home-cooked meal in a really long time. I'm just so busy, and I actually have a day off today. I never have a day off. Walmart didn't schedule me today on Christmas Eve. I'm not normally available before 6. Maybe that's why. Sorry, this plate is moving. I don't know why. And this smells really good too. But I do listen to your guys' comments. You guys want home cooking meals. I get it. More to come. You guys also apparently want cleaning videos. So that's going to come too. I'm not right away. I don't know, guys. I am so struggling with time. Like, my friend Jean wants to see me again. So I make time. I have to make time for her. I still want to see my nephew every Wednesday if possible. And then, like, my mom came out, and I need to see her. And it's just like, I don't know when I'm going to have time for to make video. I feel like I'm probably stressed out. Like, I need to figure out when I'm going to have time to make videos, I wish I didn't have to work at Walmart, but I still like working there because it's social, and making friends and that type of stuff, But I'm just feeling like, I don't know. I'm just struggling with time, guys. So I don't know. I might be doing less videos because I'm just trying to find the time to see everybody, see my family, and also do videos at the same time. It's hard. It's not easy at all. This sausage is so good. I asked the guy where the chicken apple sausage was because this video I watched was chicken apple sausage, but he's like, we're out. But then I looked again and I actually found it. Maybe he missed it. Yummy. So, I think on this channel, I think I might want to focus more on home cooking meals since you guys want that. I think my other channel, Karebear, I might do more of the fast food reviews, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. And if you guys want me to make a home cooked meal, like your recipe or a suggestion, let me know. Something healthy like this would be great. Kind of low carb. I mean, I know there's potatoes, but you know, it's more of a healthier dish. And you can add any specials you want in here. Like I added bell peppers, but you can add anything. So I added some Brussels sprouts and broccoli as well. Good. Broccoli is really good roasted. My mom bought me for dinner next week. She went to the store. She got a ham slice. I'm not really sure what that is. I mean, I know what the ham slice is, but I don't know. But maybe a package of ham, and I guess she got slices. I'm not really sure, but so I think she's gonna serve us baked potato and some salad. So that'll be next week. It won't be like a video because my mom doesn't like to be in my eating videos. But I can show you how she makes it, maybe. But I think it's great for one person. I struggle making meals for myself because like if I do a big thing of pasta, I'll freeze it, but then I don't like it after I unfreeze it. It gets the pasta is like really soggy. I don't like a lot of meals that are frozen. If I freeze it, it loses its quality. Like one year I made turkey soup and I froze it and it just didn't taste the same. But this is perfect. You know, 4 sausages in a pack. We have 2 for dinner tonight, and then the next day for lunch or dinner you can have more. And I have some right here. I look at it right now, and yeah, it's perfect. So tomorrow's Christmas. Like I told you, it was Christmas Eve today. Kind of stressful day, even though I had the day off, but I had to do my laundry. I went to Whole Foods and got some items for the Christmas lunch, or what do you call it, the salad I'm making, and crazy at Whole Foods today. And I was able to get a cake, or actually like a what do you call it, a lime pie for my video tomorrow. I didn't find any Christmas cakes. I guess they were all sold out. So I just got I got lime pie. I'm glad I had a salad with this. It just tastes much better. And my ranch is really good in here too. More sausage. Try Brussels sprouts. The reason why I got a Brussels sprout, I think they're really good in the oven roasted. It's really good. So yeah, tomorrow, like I said, it's Christmas, so big day, long day tomorrow. Christmas, what we have is just really, it's an all-day event. Lasts from like 9 a.m. Breakfast is at 9 a.m. We're going to be having sausage over biscuits. My mom loves that breakfast. I like it. I mean, it's okay. It's okay, but it's just really too much. It's heavy. Say heavy. So what's your Christmas like, guys? Is your Christmas like long, like me, where it's like all day event? Or is it less meeting family for dinner? Or is it like an all day event? It ends around 7:38. We're gonna have dinner at early around 5. And then after that we do stockings for the kids. So I found out that we're gonna have blackberry pie for dessert. So that should be good. So what else I want to tell you guys? Oh yeah, my mother will be here for the Christmas. We haven't had Christmas in years. Over 5 years as a family. So it's really good. All right, guys, that was so good. I definitely recommend this recipe. It's so easy to make, not very expensive, so fast. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next video. Peace.